we're going to test her stability, her ability to stabilize with movement. And, and this is part of incorporating the exercises into the assessments that we do. So the first movement that I'd like you to perform, Brenda, if you would, if you rest your arms beside you, is to open the knee towards the side of the room. And all the while, I would be cueing Brenda's body parts to be in the right place at the right time, doing the right thing. So inhaling as you open, exhaling as you close. But remember that the most important thing is that, we never hold our breath when we're moving about. And Brenda, if it felt better to exhale as you open the knee, inhale, or do the reverse of what I suggest, then I always encourage people to do that rather than hold the breath. And so we're looking for stability around this pelvis in the front and any other ramifications. So often people start to tense up around the neck and shoulders, and we're constantly scanning just to observe this individual's tendencies. And so make this one the last one. And now I'd like to ask you to slide the leg away from you in line with the hip joint, and then come back to the return to the start position, and then the other leg. And do that again. So we're alternating sides. Travel the leg in line with the hip joint. So this alignment through the leg is important. Imagine the legs running on train tracks, and that the activation remains constant throughout, and the pelvis is neutral. Wonderful. The leg slide may also have ramifications for the rib cage, and so it's worth just glancing and noticing what's happening through the whole of the chain. And make this one the last one. And so now I invite you to lift one leg into tabletop. And Brenda knows what tabletop is. Tabletop is 90 degrees at the hip and 90 degrees at the knee, and then lower that foot. That's it, lovely. So this is a scissors level 1. We're alternating legs. And what you notice with this is taking your time has benefits, because it's actually the moment when she's exchanging legs that is the most challenging part. So to let her body relax in between each repetition is appropriate, because then she has to respond to the next lift of the leg. And of course, Brenda's doing a very nice job here. Make this one the last one. Thank you. So last of all, we're going to look at a little bit of dynamic stability. If you would put your legs together, and you might want to just take the arms a little way out to the sides, and now rocking the knees from side to side. And this is our hip twist level 2. We're looking at the rotation through the spine. We could offer the option to rotate the head and the neck to the opposite side. We're looking at the anterior oblique muscular sling in action. And notice whether your client tends to move into hyperextension. This is a common movement fault that lots of people will do. So, but not Brenda. That's it, good.